Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change a Rainlife filter. So you just open this at the back. So you just push this with your thumb like that, and you need a tool to open this, okay? So we're going to use this. So just adjust it. Just loosen it like that. Okay. You can use any other tool to loosen this. And using a Sharpie or a marker, just put the dates when you put or installed the new filter. So as you can see here, next change of filter should be after 12 months you have installed the filters. Don't forget to put back the cover. And that's how you put a new filter on the Rainlife. Thank you. Bye.